We're here at the Oatey booth at KBIS, and I'm excited to show you our Oatey Decorative Drains. So this line of drains is sold under both DesignLine and Vivante, and they are really that next level of elevation for your tile shower drain. So these drains are compatible with our Oatey 130 series drain bases, which are really the standard in the industry when you're installing a drain into your tile shower that you've waterproofed with shower pan liner. So we've got a range of beautiful decorative drains that are compatible with this base. As you can see here, there is a threaded barrel adapter that we use to connect this decorative drain down into the drain base. And these come in both square and linear drains. So you can see here a range of sizes. We're showing the 4 and 6 inch, a beautiful range of finishes, including our tile-in option that you can use for the drain to seamlessly flow with the tile on the shower floor, as well as our mixed metal options, which allow you to mix matte black and gold. What I've got here is our latest great pattern. It's called Trellis, available in stainless steel. So this is the latest option that's available in our decorative drains. These are really high quality and easy to care for and service. They come with a simple lifting key that allows you to lift up the strainer. And then you've got your basket, which is very convenient for cleaning and servicing. As mentioned, these are also available in linear drains in the same range of finishes. So these are the Oatey Decorative Drains under DesignLine and Vivante from Oatey.